Here's the Lymow One Plus unboxing. Here's the Lymow One Plus with the top cover of the box removed. You got a quick start guide, you have the standard accessories, which includes the wall mount, the RTK power supply, the pole mount stake, some hardware. You have the RTK pole, and then some cords. This is the extension cord for the 10 amp power supply. The RTK power supply extension cords, the ground stakes, and the manual. Now I got the accessory layer removed. Here's the Lymow One Plus. You can see the front charging contacts with where it charges on the new dock design. There's a screen cover here. Here's the mower removed from the box. You can see there's new track covers on the Lymow One Plus mower. Very easily removed with this button here. And you can see the tracks are now cleaned by a brush down here. Looks like the inside of the tracks were lubricated with a silicone grease. I'm going to put these covers back on now. You just line up the two slots with the two holes. And it goes back in pretty easily. The other thing I wanted to point out is the side discharge is right here. And you have 3 screws you can remove to enable the side discharge. Here's the box without the mower. And underneath the mower is the 10 amp charger. You might also have the 5 amp if you ordered that model. And finally, you're left with the charging dock. Get a closer look at the way the dock comes into contact with the contacts on top of the mower deck here. They're spring-loaded. There's brushes in front to clean the charging contacts on top of the mower deck. And you can see you have plenty of surface area. You have 2 cables here as well, like you always have, one for the RTK power supply power and one to power the charging dock itself. There's now a cover which is nice on the RTK power supply, so if you don't use it, you can leave it covered. The back is identical. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the battery. You can see the battery mounts now with rails on the top of the battery instead of on the side. There's also a cover, a dust cap on the battery when it's not in use. Battery is plugged in. And now we're going to power it on. I'm going to lift up the front deck. You can see the Omni wheels. The design of the arm is different. There's now a spring tension on it. The mowing deck is different as well. It's just one big, large mowing deck. Before, you had a separation between the two blades. The blades do come together very nicely, pretty close. The blade design is different. And the side discharge comes out right here. It does not come out the other side. And of course, there's no more contacts underneath the mower. And you can see down here as well. There is now a mud guard at the bottom of the mower to prevent grass clippings from getting inside the tracks, which is quite nice. If you'd like to see more about the Lymow One Plus, make sure to subscribe.